In other TrackX tutorials, we have showed you how to do a screen insert, add a callout, and how to track and replace an irregularly shaped graphic. So what we now want to look at is screen replacement, and specifically how to deal with something going in front of the screen. In this case, the subject puts his thumb over the screen at the end of the shot as he interacts with his phone. I've already tracked the screen, which is covered in our screen replace tutorial. Let's open the TrackX editor and take a look at how to extend the mask to replace the thumb when it moves on top of the screen. Once we're in the editor, the screen is already tracked, as you can see. The three TrackX effects called Track Layer, Screen Replace, and Track Callout all have this option here called Mask Background Over Layer, which is switched off by default. If we turn that on, it reveals another polygon shape, which isn't doing anything special at the moment. We can see that the finger only blocks the screen for a short amount of time at the end of the shot. So let's switch off the surface image insert so that we can see the finger clearly. Now we want to draw a new shape, which only needs to mask the part of the thumb that is blocking the screen. Hit Enter to close the shape. Now we can switch surface image insert back on. Make sure that the polygon shape mask is set to replace instead of add. So now we can see that the thumb is properly revealed over the screen. Now let's track backwards. We only need to track the thumb until it no longer blocks the screen. Save changes and go back to the timeline and check out the final result. While this was quite a simple tracking problem, if the screen was blocked for longer, it would take longer to track and might require some additional keyframes to adjust the shape over time. The process is more or less the same for other TrackX effects. Screen Replace, Track Callout, and Track Layer all have a mask layer that's turned off by default. So we can simply turn it on, create a shape mask, and then track whatever might be obstructing our screen or sign or other tracked element. So here are the results of adding additional masking to TrackX Screen Replace.